Hi, everybody. It's Dr. Campbell, and welcome to Cyber Day with Science Fair. And we've been working on Science Fair now for a number of weeks in grade 7 science. And I want to explain what I need you to do today for your Cyber Day homework. On the screen, that you can see a Google slide. It says Science Fair Project, has my name on it as your teacher and where we're located. What I need you to do is only complete a couple of the slides. And then you're going to share it back to me. You're not completing the whole thing. This slide is set up in case we have to go any virtual with our science fair. This enables us to put some of the information from our science fair into a slide if we would have to share this with a judge. So right here, you're going to put the title of your project and try to do the best you can as far as putting the title, and then you're going to put your first and last name. So you have to complete slide number 1, and then we're not going to complete slide number 2. I need you to move over to slide number, the one on variables. So I need you to tell what your control variable is, and definitely what your independent variable, what you're changing, and your dependent variable. So when you edit this, leave the word independent variable in there and just change this word, the one variable you'll purposely change and test. So type it in there. I will be changing. And dependent variable, what I measure, and you're going to say, I will measure, and that's what you're going to put on there. If you forget what to do, you can always come back to this video because I'm going to have it posted on YouTube video, and I'll have it posted on Google Classroom. And probably as an Edpuzzle, it's probably easier that way. Then I need you to put your hypothesis. That's the if-then statement that we've been talking about in class. Again, you can come back and watch this video, but if this happens, then this happens, all right? So if I bounce a ping pong ball on the floor, then it should bounce back to 5 feet. That's not a correct prediction, but I'm giving you an example of an if-then statement. And then I need you to list the materials with bullet points. So far you're going to have the title screen, you're going to have your variables, and you're going to have your hypothesis, and then your materials. So you only have 4 screens that I need you to do for today. If you know your procedures, try to type them in. If you can't remember how it looks, go back and look at the Science Buddies website. Now, Science Buddies has really, really, really long procedures. I prefer if you just make it into 10 basic steps if you can, and you're going to number them. So put a number list here. And that's all I need you to do for today. That should take you a bit. I think it's going to take you a little bit to do that. So you're not going to work on data observations. You're not going to work on conclusions. You're not going to work on works cited. Again, the only things you're going to work on is the title screen, Science Fair Project. Then I need you to skip over to variables, type in your variables, skip to hypothesis, type in your hypothesis, type in your materials, and try to type in your procedure. Even if you haven't started it yet, I want you to try to type in your procedure. And that will be your homework for today. I hope you find that helpful. If you have a question, you can send me a question on Google Classroom. And I hope to see you tomorrow.